Welcome back to eCreativeAid. This recipe is quick and easy and super delicious. First, we need chicken breasts. You can use a whole chicken or any other part of a chicken. Clean the chicken, remove any unnecessary parts and salt it. After that, add chili pepper flakes, as much as you like. Then add dried or fresh onions. After that, add paprika. And add some cumin. You can add white spice, but this is optional. Then add minced garlic. Mix it well and make sure all the chicken breasts are covered. Now you can add oil. Then put it in the oven at 450 Fahrenheit. In a pot, put some oil. Then chop some onions and put them in a pot. Here I added dried ginger, but you can add powder or minced ginger. Once the onions are almost done, add the garlic. Saute it a little bit, then add 1 teaspoon of curry, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Now I added chili pepper flakes and add a teaspoon of cumin, or as much as you like. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of dried coriander. Here we can add garam masala, but I don't have that available, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. Let's prepare the rice. We need to wash long grain rice. Now we can add water in the pot. Add a cube of chicken stock and mix it until it melts. Now add salt. Then add the rice. Cover it with water. Cover the pot and let it cook. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.